Namaskaram everyone. My parents recently visited the Isha Foundation Ashram in Coimbatore for a silence program. After which they did a bit of shopping at the Isha Shopee. You can also visit the online store and see the products for yourself and also make purchases. These are a few things that my parents purchased. To start with, we have this sling bag which is made up of pure fabric and is biodegradable and eco-friendly. Purchase of these items also supports local artisans and handloom culture in India. One of my favorite purchases are these kurtas which have a beautiful design of the Nandi or Nandi in different shades of blue which are vibrant and very nice to wear. The fabric is cotton and is very soft at touch. We have two of these things. They've liked the design so much that they've purchased stoles also with similar design for gifting purposes and to share with our family and friends here in Mumbai. Few other things are these kurtas. So they have different sections for men and women. So for men they have these kurtas which are also made of pure cotton and have very simple but unique designs. This can be worn during meditation practices or any function at home. Again, these are very soft at touch and breathable fabrics that can be worn in humid climates of Mumbai specifically. Then there are these plain kurta pants and a kurta in khaki colors which is currently trending in the market if you buy from mega retail stores. Then we have these full length skirts which have very unique prints and designs which can be worn paired with any simple or a fancy top. So we have one in blue and one with a lotus print on it. The best purchases made are the saris which are Ling Bhairavi Devi consecrated saris which I'd like to share with you. The very first one is this cotton sari which has contrast borders and green, which is mainly in green color and has a contrast border. It is very simple, still stands out and is also another beautiful purchase. The best one and a very beautiful color I've seen is this what is newly launched in the ashram is one in tussar silk. This is pure tussar silk made by them, and we have the Ling Bhairavi Stuti written here. And it is also one in contrast with a beautiful pink maroonish color which is also soft and very beautiful to look at. I really love this color. Also we have, apart from this, as part of jewelry, my parents got this as a gift for me. Even I'm looking at it for the very first time. These are a pair of earrings. One second. Which are these small dangling earrings with Om and a small Rudraksha at the bottom. I really like these. So there are of course two of those. I'd like to show you. So there is this, and that's about it. So clothing and jewelry. Obviously this is not a sponsored video, this is just my parents shopping, and I would recommend you to visit the ashram and also look at the Isha Shopee and other decorative items and puja items that they have. Obviously at store you will find more products than what is available on the website. Namaskaram, thank you.